robots for that, robots for the next thing. It really is amazing what technology is out there. However, it's of no use to us unless we have the human skills to work with it correctly. And I don't mean by being an incredible digital designer or computer programmer, or an astonishing build engineer. I mean the human skills of good communication, listening, problem solving, working together, creativity, innovation. Because the world will not be all technology. It will be human beings using technology, and a much more advanced situation to do all see now. Every day you are using technology, at home or at school, from your mobile phone to your computer. But at the end of the day, we are still human beings and we need to work on those skills. We need to be able to work together, celebrate together, play together. So today we're going to have a play with AI with you. And we do want you to join in. We want you to raise your hand, come up with suggestions. We'll leave some time at the end for any questions you might have, and even do a demonstration.
Lovely volunteer number 1. Hello. Can you, using prompts, bring this into our maze here, please? Lovely. Really clear and confident there with your prompts. Very nice. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Hello, lovely volunteer number 2. Hello. Can you, I'm going to give you a challenge. Can you give a prompt to Miss to get her to do? And give Miss a round of applause for an excellent start done. Very good, well done. Lovely volunteer number 3. Lovely volunteer number 3.
Using one just here to get it to move forward.
Taking 2 steps forward. Taking 2 steps forward.
Lovely, well done.
And making a T to get her to lie down.
Signaling
Lovely. Now, do you want to see Lexi dance?
Yeah!
Yeah, I thought so. Come on, Lexi.
Just across. There we go.
Oh. Then she's tapping away. Some disco dancing there. Very nice. Okay, right, Lexi. Can you see all our new friends out there? Can you see all our new friends out there? Good girl. Like that. Woo! Yes, we see your dancing. Very good. Very good dancing. Sorry, she's just dancing away. Right. Good girl. Good girl. Right. Coming with me. I want you to give our audience a little love heart, okay? Can you give our audience a love heart? Lexi? Hello? Oh?
Wow, so many faces. Let's give your attention to some moves.
She just said, wow, so many faces. Let's get her attention with some moves.
Roll a stone.
Okay. Right, come on. Give Lexi a round of applause. Very good.
Okay. I'll take a look around and let... The image shows a large group of people seated in a spacious room. The room has a high ceiling with exposed beams and is well lit, possibly by natural light from windows on the left. The people are seated in rows along the walls, facing the center of the room, which is empty. Most individuals appear to be wearing uniforms, suggesting a school or formal setting.